Holiday makeup looks are one of my favorites. I love an excuse to wear a red lip. I love a light shimmery eye. So I'm gonna show you the easiest holiday makeup look. It will take you no time at all to create. As you can see, I already have my base done. No color products yet on, so we're gonna get into that. A huge thank you to About Face for sponsoring today's video. If you've never heard of About Face, they are Halsey's makeup brand. One of my favorite things about the brand is the quality for the price point. I think they have a really great price for the products that you are getting. They're very high quality. About Face is definitely a brand that more than exceeded my expectations when I was first testing out their products. So I'm gonna share with you my favorite products from them to create this holiday look. It's only using a couple of things, and if you've been wanting to try About Face, this is a great time to do it because they are having amazing offers all throughout December. The main one being, if you shop through my link and use my discount code, you will be given a free gift and free shipping, and with my discount code, 15% off. So now is the time to try About Face if you've been wanting to. I'm really excited because if you do click the link down below, it'll take you to a landing page of photos that my husband and I made for you guys, giving you the step-by-step of all of my favorite products that I use to get today's look, and you will get those added benefits of the discount, the free gift, the free shipping. So thank you About Face for offering this to my followers. But they also have a lot of other discounts in December. December 14th to the 19th is free express shipping on orders over $75. And then the final promo of the year is going to be on December 26th with gift with purchase and a chance to get a discount on any of the holiday kits, which you know is already a good deal to begin with. All of the products by About Face are vegan, cruelty-free, and clean, so a wide range of you are going to be able to use their products. So let me show you this look because it's so good and so easy, and we're gonna start off with a really great product, and I'm normally not into eyeshadow sticks, but they have come out with the best colors, and one thing I love about the brand is they kind of encourage you to use their products however you would like. They have a lot of versatility to them, so I'm gonna show you a couple of different ways that I like to use their shadow sticks. So the shade that I'm using is Miracle Mimosa. It has a pearly finish. They offer these in a matte and pearly finish with multiple shades, pretty much any color you could imagine. But this pearly one is great because you can use it to highlight, you can use it for a lid color, you can use it for a little bit of gleam. There's a lot of ways to use this one. So for today's eye look, I wanted to keep it really clean, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this all over the lid. You can see there's not too much drag, it's quite creamy, but it also has a really nice staying time. It does not crease throughout the day. You have a little bit of time to kind of push it in and blend it out with your finger, but once it's set, it's done. It's gonna stay there all day. You can also use this as a base to other powder shadows if you want those powder shadows to stand out more, but I think the shade is so beautiful on its own. You can see it's really subtle. You can use it to highlight the high point of the brow and then also as an inner corner highlight as well. And then my favorite trick that not enough people do, and I think it is key for a really eye-awakening glowy look, take this and apply it almost along the whole lower lash line. I'm leaving out this outer corner right here, but this is just going to waken up and brighten the eye, which is perfect for today's look. Let me go ahead and get the other eye. I mean, this is really, really simple eyeshadow. No effort at all. And I normally don't like shadow sticks because I do find that they crease and they just don't last as long, but this one is really, really nice. So we're gonna highlight right here, and then highlight that lower lash line as well. And it's just gonna make your eyes stand out. So this is a subtle way to bring some light to your eyes. I think it's really pretty for the holidays, but it still is going to leave room for a bold lip. I'm gonna use another shadow stick, and this to me is so versatile. This is the shadow stick in the shade Kill the Lights. It's a matte black, and you can use this as an all-over base color for your eyelid and then use like a cool glittery or multi-dimensional product over top. You can use this as eyeliner. You can use this to get a really defined, cool eye. That's what I like about the shadow sticks, is the versatility that you have with them. I'm gonna use these for a smudgy eyeliner today. And it's gonna be so easy. If you are not good with eyeliner, this is a technique that you're gonna wanna learn. So I want to keep the eye look very clean still, but since we have so much brightness to the eye, I want to give it a little bit more definition. So the trick to the easiest smudgy liner is an angled brush and this product because it's so creamy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the product directly on my angled brush, coat it, and all you're gonna do is you're gonna press it along your lashes. So this way is a lot easier than using a regular eyeliner because you don't need to literally draw it on. All you're doing is pressing and putting the product right where you want it. I recommend this technique for beginners or for those of you that just aren't as comfortable with eyeliner. Look, you got the easiest definition, and because I still want the eye look to be quite soft, I'm gonna take my finger and just smudge it before it sets down. And I've worn this as eyeliner many times. It doesn't smudge, it doesn't fade. If you are worried about that, you can set it with a black eyeshadow, but it's fine on its own. Even though it's an eyeshadow stick, it works great as eyeliner. And then I want to kind of shape the eye. So I'm gonna create just a mini wing. Let me get a little bit more product on. Just kind of put it where you want. And because you have a little bit of time to work this out, I'm gonna use my nail and literally just sharpen this. Does not look so good. And it's subtle. The point is I wanted it to be more smudgy and effortless, and that's exactly what I got doing this technique. And then I'm also gonna do an inner corner wing, which is my thing now. I think it makes your makeup look so much more effort than it actually takes. So I'm gonna coat the brush in some product. And to do this, all I'm gonna do, and this is easy with an angled liner brush, so make sure you have one. Just extend your inner corner like that. Again, using stamping motions. And then for my eye shape, I like to fill in right around the tear duct right here. And it's that simple to kind of reshape the eye. Do you see how that elongated it? But still, it's a minimal technique to make a big impact on the eyes. So beginners with eyeliner, you definitely need to try this technique. There is nothing easier than literally just pressing the product in your lashes. You don't need hardly any precision for this, and there's a lot of room for mistake here. You can always go back, but we literally are making it look effortless with just a little smudging of the finger. And I do have hooded eyes, and I haven't noticed any transferring of the product as well, for those of you that are concerned about that. It also helps that because it's only pressed along the lash line, there is less room for it to smudge. So let me extend this out. So here is the simple eyeliner look that we did. I'm just gonna do my lashes really quickly and then we'll get to the cheeks and lips. Do you see when we do such a simple eye like this, while it was really simple, it definitely changed the whole look of my face and pulled everything together. But let's get into some color now. We're gonna use, I think this is my favorite product from About Face. I think this knocks all of the other cream blushes out because of how good it is. This is the Cheek Freak Blush Balm. I'm using the shade Laid today, and I'll tell you why I chose this shade. But they offer this blush balm in a lot of different colors that are also very, very pretty. But that cold girl look is really trendy right now. This is that perfect wintry pink, kind of like a I just went out for a run pink, that I've been out in the snow pink. This is the kind of pink that people are looking for. Now what I love about this formula is you can put this on top of powder, changes nothing. Put this on top of liquids, creams, you can layer this multiple times, you can put this on the cheek over like a liquid product, powder it, and then put more of this on top. It's not going to disrupt anything. It's a high quality formula, and the packaging is just adorable. The colors are the best. Really, really impressed with this formula because you know how cream blushes can be very finicky, and it has kind of like a cream balm hybrid formulation. This applies well with pretty much every tool: fingers, damp beauty blender, brush. I'm gonna start off with a little bit of my fingers. You don't really need to warm the product up. It definitely is creamy to the touch, but just to show you with my fingers, I'm gonna put this right on the apples of my cheek right here, and you can see how this is the perfect winter pink. Now for the cold girl look, it's really trendy to put it up here. I'm keeping it a little bit lower, so we're doing a variation. I'm gonna use my sponge just to blend it out. You can see, you can get it nice and light like this. Like this is quite natural, but if you go in with a damp beauty blender, you can get a lot of color. I'm trying to go pretty light because I don't want it to be obnoxious, but I'm blending that out. You see it works out really easily. So I'm keeping this color here. It's gonna give a really fresh, youthful look, kind of a cold girl inspired look, but not quite, because we're gonna put on a red lip, and then I'm gonna get some on the tip of the nose. That's the key for the kind of cold girl look. So you can get it really, really pink if you want, but I'm gonna use the side that I blended my foundation and concealer with to kind of tone that down. And the color here stays on the cheeks really well. It doesn't fade. You can use a powder blush on top if you want to ensure that the color is gonna stay. But you see how easily that blended out? And this is such a natural color. Oh, I love this color so much. So the shade Laid is one of my favorites, but there's a lot of other ones as well to look into. So I'm going to stop the blush there, but you could build this up to get a really bright color as well. But let's move on to the lips. And I'm using 3 different formulations from About Face for today because I'm using one of their holiday kits. I love a good holiday kit. This is the Holiday Punch Wreck the Halls Lip Trio, and it's going to give you that red holiday lip. I wore this in a video the other day, and you guys were like, what's on your lips? It's this set. I love how the About Face packaging, you pull this to open it, but I just opened it from the top so I could show you guys the packaging. So in this set, you get a lip pencil, a matte lip color, and a light lock lip gloss. We're starting off with the Fix Lip Pencil in the shade Forever Flame. So this is going to be the lip liner, really creamy, very easy to apply, and has a very long last time as well. And then I like to overline a little in the center of the lip because I want my lips to be more bold and a little bit more voluptuous. And I'm filling in the corners as well, just like this. And then the main lip color that came in here was the Painted Lip color in the shade Fireside. And this is a gorgeous red. I applied a lot of the lip liner on a big space on my lips because I want to keep this as a very thin layer. And this is so tiny and cute for the purse. And this is a really lightweight matte lip color. And you can see it carried a lot of pigment. I didn't need to apply that much. And then the lip gloss that came in the set was the Light Lock lip gloss in the shade Blame Game. I'm going to keep this in the center of my lips just to make them stand out a little bit more. So I'm just going to put it right here, mush them together, and instantly it just makes your lips look more hydrated. Okay, so I'm going to fix the clown makeup that I did right here, and I'll show you the final look. Here is the final simple holiday makeup look. I added in the cold girl kind of cheek to make it a little bit more trendy, but this is the kind of look that I am going to be rocking all of December. A huge thank you to About Face for sponsoring this video. Make sure if you want to shop the brand, now is the time to do it. Click on the link, shop through my link, and then of course use my discount code as well to get the free gift, free shipping, and 15% off. The link will take you directly to all of the products that I used in today's video. Let me know what you think down below. What are your favorite products? I will catch you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye guys, have a good one.